Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about problem solving. Our problem solving journey, where every challenge becomes an opportunity for growth and success. Importance of problem solving. Problem solving is the cornerstone of progress. It empowers us to overcome obstacles, achieve goals, and navigate life's complexities with confidence. For example, imagine with the help of problem-solving skills, we can easily encountering a technical glitch. By applying problem-solving strategies like troubleshooting and research, you can find solutions and get back on track swiftly. Troubleshooting. Troubleshooting refers to the systematic approaches used to identify and resolve issues or problems in various contexts, such as technology, engineering, or everyday life. Research. Research involves studying various approaches, techniques, and methods used to solve problems effectively. Let's dive into practical strategies for enhancing problem-solving skills. Start by defining the problem clearly and breaking it down into manageable steps. Collaboration is key. Engage with others, share ideas, and leverage diverse perspectives to uncover innovative solutions. Remember, every problem is an opportunity to learn and grow towards success. Embrace challenges with a positive mindset, persistence, and creativity. Empower yourself with these problem-solving strategies and watch as you conquer challenges and achieve success in your daily life. To know more about it, register for workshop.